Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is me installing a 4x4 closure Amazon wig. I will tag the person that I got it from in the description. But yeah, this is just me showing off the wig. It is a 14-inch water wave. That's the texture of it. So what I'm doing here is just applying my True Match in the shade Deep Dark and with the True Match brush. And I'm gonna apply that on my cap to match my skin color. Most of the time I do makeup, but this with the spray, it's kind of convenient as well. So here I am just blending it. Then I'm going to take my blow dryer on cool or hot, whichever one you want, and just blow dry the cap so it's dry. Then I'm going to take a razor and cut off the excess lace from the wig, obviously. I just did it in a straight line since the style I'm doing doesn't require me to actually bleach the knots or require any lace showing, so I didn't have to do it in the zigzag motion. But if you are required to have lace showing, I suggest that you do it in a zigzag motion so it mimics a hairline. Here's me placing it on my head to see where I want everything. Now is me going in with Bold Hold Active because I have oily skin. If you do go out in the gym or just an active person, I do suggest Bold Hold Active. Today I applied only 3 layers of glue. Make sure when you're applying the glue, it is very thin so it dries quicker and it lasts longer. Then I'm going to blow dry on cool and make sure that the glue clears before I place the lace on. Then what I do is take the back of the comb or the comb teeth and place it in the lace so it melts in. So right now for the ultimate melt, I usually just take an elastic band and some spritz. The spritz I'm using is Fantasia. And I just go along a lace and rub it in as you see that I'm doing right now. And then I just place the elastic band and tie it and then blow dry it for a little on hot. So for this look, I decided to go with a bang. So here is me just sectioning off hair. So for the spray bottle mixture, I just use conditioner and water. And for the other mixture that I use is, well, the conditioner that I use is the silicone mix. But you can use any conditioner as long as it doesn't contain oil that can damage the hair and make it too oily and stiff.